Okay, so I've been seeing this Incredibles like Pixar filter thing on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. It's been everywhere and people have been trying to figure out how to do it. So your girl got you. Today we're gonna get into it. Stay tuned. Welcome back, my loves. Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Pixar TikTok filter that everybody's been doing. It's not necessarily in TikTok, it is through the Snapchat app. So make sure you guys stay tuned and check out this video. I'm gonna bring you closer so I can give you a look at my phone and we're gonna get into this. Come on. All right, y'all. So your first step is going to be to go into your Snapchat app. It's me. And you're going to literally hold down on your face as if you're getting ready to apply a filter. And then you want to go down here to your bottom right and click the Explore button. And it should pop up with a search bar and plenty of filters. And so I'm going to go to my search bar up here and type in Pixar. P-I-X-A-R. Now, there are going to be a lot of different filters that pop up, as you guys can see, but the best one to do, the one that is trending right now, is the cartoon 3D style. So you can play around with the other ones in your free time. But this is the one that everybody's been using and it's super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start recording my video. I look like an Incredibles mom. Yeah. All right. So now that my video is done, the audio doesn't really matter because I just, BS'd it, but you wanna go ahead and save your video. So down at the bottom, there should be a little save icon and you wanna click it. Now, this is the important step. You're going to exit out of your filter. And then you want to go to your Snapchat saved videos. So your saved gallery. And then you're gonna click your video. Now you hold it down and then you want to click Export Snap. Now you can choose to export it in whatever way you want to do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and click the TikTok button. Sorry, y'all, my phone be tripping. And you can go ahead and share the TikTok that way, or another quick way to do it would be to export your snap, download to save it to your phone. And then you can go to your TikTok app, post your video, upload, and there goes my video right here. So I'm gonna select that video, click next. And there y'all have it. You are ready to go ahead and post your video for TikTok. So it's that simple, y'all. Really, it's not that hard, so. So fun fact, you can actually go ahead and do it with your pets. Opie was not being, cooperative, but it's okay. If you can get your dog to sit still enough, there you go. You can do it for your pets as well. So it's a little fun fact, I just had to mention. All right, y'all, so I hope this video helped. I hope it was simple enough and quick enough for the people who like short tutorials. I love you guys so much. Before you go, don't forget to check out my Glossy Cosmetics lip line. Your girl is sporting it today. It is down below in the description box if you're feeling, friendly enough to contribute to sis. Because, sis could really, enjoy some of you all supporting me. And that would be great. So anyway, I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Peace out.